Hey, Bongegile here, bringing you the latest updates. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you do not miss anything I upload. Mzansi Magic has announced that actor Muzi Mtabela has left Isibaya to pursue other projects. Muzi is going to replace Tony, who plays the Izimele character. Tony has been with Imbewu since 2018. He replaced Hastrop actor Mpumelelo Blose. Blose was allegedly fired from Imbewu for absenteeism and late coming. Tony is said to be leaving the show over payment disputes. The seasoned actor is allegedly not happy with his salary. This is the third time Imbewu changes the Izimele character. It looks like 2020 will be a busy year for Muzi because not only did he secure the Zimele role, he has also bagged a leading role in a new and upcoming Mnet series called Shaka Ilembe. Muzi has made appearances on several South African TV shows like Ashes to Ashes, Tempi Pushers, Sokulu and Partners, Mubango, Jacob's Cross, Dream World, The Road, and Saint and Sinners. We cannot wait to see him kill his new role on TV.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Till we meet again. Bye.